What we do here is go back.
Welcome back to another episode of Monkey Wrench Garage. Today we'll be working on a 2006 PT Cruiser brake light. This is what you need: 3157 bulbs, a flat screwdriver, or a number 30 torque tip. Plastic trim removal tool helps. Let's get to it. Using a number 30 torque tip or a flat blade screwdriver, remove the housing screw. When removing, be careful not to crack the clips off the housing. Use the trim tools to slightly lift as you pull the housing towards the rear of the car. Now flip the housing. Now grab the lower light bulb socket. Give it a little quarter turn and pull. Grab the ball, wiggle and pull. Using gloves or a towel, insert the new bulbs into the socket. Before reinstalling the housing, give the bulb a try. Get in, turn on the lights, push the brake a couple times. Nice and bright. Okay, let's grab that socket, reinstall it, quarter turn, flip it over, locate the clips, locate the tabs, slowly angle it in, slide up, insert the screw, and then tighten till it's just snug. Fits like a glove. And just like that, we have another fast and easy repair. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please feel free to subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with the latest episode of Monkey Wrench Garage.